Welcome back to Shib everyone. Shiba Inu, what the devil happened to you? Today's Shib news. Since its annual peak of 0.157 on February 4th, the price of Shiba has decreased. Prior to the decline, the daily RSI showed a notable bearish divergence, which resulted in a low of 0.107 on March 4th. The price of the Shiba token dropped from the 0.122 support level, which is a noteworthy development. The price of Shiba Inu is currently attempting to confirm a long-term declining resistance line that was previously used as support. The price of Shib might drop to the next support level at 0.0100 if it doesn't work. A retest of the 0.00122 region might be in order though, if it bounces. We'll discuss what the hell happened to Shiba Inu in this video. News from Shiba. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. The Shiba price may have finished an ABC corrective structure, which started after the annual high on February 5th, according to the technical analysis from the 6-hour time frame. If so, the Shiba price has either finished the correction or is in wave C. A low of 0.000999 can result from waves A to C having a 1.1 ratio. The 0.618 Fib retracement support level, around 0.00108, raises the probability that the correction is finished, even though it hasn't been achieved yet. The modest bullish divergence that formed in the RSI further supports this. Therefore, the completion of the C wave between those two levels and the subsequent continuation of the upward momentum represent the most likely price forecast for Shiba Inu. This bullish Shiba Inu coin analysis would be invalidated though, if the price dropped below the wave 1 low at 0.01078. This might lead to a decline towards 0.00050. In conclusion, the formation of a bottom close to 0.010, followed by an upward advance, is the most likely scenario for the Shiba price forecast. This bullish prediction would be void if the price fell below 0.00078. The price of the Shiba coin might then drop to 0.0050. As of right now, the price of Shib has decreased by 1.58% for the day, 13.98% for the week, and 13.32% for the last 30 days. But thanks to the general confidence in the cryptocurrency industry, the digital asset has gained 35.74% since the year began. It is also noteworthy that, according to the most recent data from CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu is presently the 15th largest digital asset in terms of market capitalization, which at the time of publication was an astounding 6.06 billion. Shiba Inu has the ability to raise its price and perhaps turn a cautious investor into a billionaire. Despite the fact that its numbers may seem insignificant, it is still far from achieving the value per unit of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum though. In contrast, 1 million Shiba Inu coins could have been bought for only $7 in September 2021, illustrating the gradual rise in value over time. In the end, it all comes down to closely monitoring the state of the market, the amount of money one is prepared to invest, and the token's sale price. In the meantime, the Shiba team has been working diligently on Shibarium, the much-awaited Layer 2 network. Shibaswap is the sole official decentralized exchange for the Shiba Inu and Shibarium ecosystem, according to a recent tweet from its primary creator, Satoshi Kusama. Satoshi Kusama, the primary developer of Shiba Inu, has revealed that the monthly Shiba Eternity Tournament prize fund has grown. Participants in the Shiba ecosystem were more optimistic after Kusama raised the tournament's frequency to twice a month. Every month, the Shiba Inu ecosystem hosts the Shiba Eternity Tournament. In a recent announcement, Kusama increased the prizes to $250 for second and third place, and $500 for first place. Dogpad Finance, Shibarium's official launchpad ecosystem, funded the prizes, and Kusama secured a sponsor for the prize pool. To enable players to profit from the awards, the competition will now take place twice a month. Since February 26th, the price of Shiba Inu has now dropped by about 10%. The release of Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution, is anticipated by the Shib community. It is anticipated that the scaling solution's introduction would spur a comeback in the Dogecoin killer meme coin. Recently, Kusama alerted the public to a MetaMask function that aims to enhance users' gaming experiences. This action prompted rumors that the lead developer could think about incorporating MetaMask with Shiba Eternity. The Silvergate FUD caused Shib's price to plummet from 0.00219 to 0.113. There is a lot of interest in Shibarium, the eagerly awaited blockchain platform that will allow developers and users to activate new use cases over the current blockchain. A lead developer of Shiba Inu and the Shibarium project, Satoshi Kusama, who goes by a pseudonym, claims that some amazing responses have been made to the intake form that was posted on Medium this week. According to his statement, all incoming submissions are being examined, and this weekend, the completed form's responses will be distributed. This weekend, anyone who filled out the intake form ought to receive an email reply. All we're doing is organizing and providing the consideration that each of the thousands of submissions merits. Several projects had reached out to the Shib team to work with Shibarium, Kusama said in the Telegram Shibarium discussion that had been reactivated. Additionally, Kusama expressed gratitude to the community for the thousands of entries, saying that the Shib army is strengthened as a result. The primary developer tweeted, "The song is on repeat while we finish," along with a Spotify link, just before the Shibarium beta was scheduled to be released. Everyone was invited to the project as well. Concerns were raised by the project team's recent lack of communication with the Shib community. Under his leadership, I have been working tirelessly with various teams to provide the public with updates on the Shibarium beta and the Shiba Inu metaverse, Kusama said. According to him, they are getting ready to showcase the Wagmai Temple Hub at the SXSW conference later this year. Just to be clear, everyone is welcome to Shibarium. I've already seen some amazing contributions to our intake form, and I'm excited to see more. Since I'm working with multiple teams on upgrades in time for Shibarium beta and SXSW for Shib.io, the metaverse, I'm keeping quiet. Kusama also spoke about shibaswap, a cross-chain platform. With the launch of Shibarium, he said, shibaswap would become the official decentralized Shibarium exchange. Please take notice, though, that the Shib team will make sure it is updated across the chain. Have you had a chance to view the team's latest designs? They're stunning. The official DEX of Shibarium will be shibaswap. I'm excited to see the others, in case that wasn't obvious. Shibarium has been in the news for a while. On February 13th, there were rumors that the project's beta version will be released shortly, but nothing materialized. Additionally, it was stated that in order to use the platform, users would need to purchase Bone shibaswap. Security is one of the project's main concerns because it is said to be safe and impenetrable, making it appropriate for sensitive data. It is also perfect for tracking transactions and activity because of its transparency. Furthermore, Shibarium is reputed to be incredibly fast and reasonably priced. If you're interested in both dogs and money, you should consider Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu entered the scene a little later, but they have been in competition with one another for a sum now. The Dogecoin murderers moniker was still given to them. According to the tale, Shiba Inu was developed to destroy Dogecoin, which began as a lighthearted substitute for Bitcoin. Both goals were successful and unsuccessful in various respects. Dogecoin's success over the years can be attributed to its open-ended approach to cryptocurrency trading. The Shib army's expertise in smart contracts has inspired confidence among investors. That's what I refer to as an intelligent puppy. The market's reaction to Dogecoin has been erratic in recent weeks. It will undoubtedly be beneficial to learn that Dogecoin has been chosen as the payment method by Web3 domain provider Unstoppable Domains. Shiba Inu's recent news is also encouraging, as they aim to address market volatility with the debut of the Shibarium beta. The market may respond differently to each public announcement of a major project advancement. Shiba Inu is hoping for a favorable reaction. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.